Hi, hello dear students, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about limits which are given in previous JEE Mains 2013, 14, 15, 16 problems. We will discuss in this video. Let us have a discussion. The first question. Limit extends to 0, 1 minus cos 2x into 3 plus cos x divided by x into tan 4x. Here 1 minus cos 2x into 3 plus cos 4x cos x by x into tan 4x. X is equal to 0, substitute directly, you will get indeterminate form. So whenever you are getting indeterminate form, either you can making into the formula format or factorization, but by observing in this limit there is no quadratic expressions, so we need to reduce the terms into formula format. See here, we need to learn also. In the previous classes we discussed some shortcut formulas based on limits. Here I am going to apply limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2x into 3 plus cos x divided by x into tan 4x. We have formulas in trigonometry, in limits, standard limits. Limit x tends to 0, tan ax divided by x is equal to a. But here tan 4x is there, so denominator x is not there. To apply this formula form, to get this formula form, we need to multiply and dividing by x here. Here dividing by x, multiplying by x. After that, limit apply for this function, limit apply for this function, limit apply for this function. See here, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2x divided by x square. So limit apply for the first term, limit apply for the second term. Limit x tends to 0, 3 plus cos x divided by, limit apply for the denominator. Limit x tends to 0, tan 4x divided by x. So one by one we will simplify. First come to here. Here also we have shortcut formula. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos ax divided by x square is equal to a square by 2. So by using this formula first, a value is how much here? 2. So 2 square by 2. So first limit is over. X tends to 0, x equal to 0, substitute cos 0 value is 1. So 3 plus 1 divided by, limit x tends to 0, tan 4x by x. By applying this formula, limit x tends to 0, tan ax by x is a. So a value is what here? 4. 2 square. 4 divided by 2 into 3 plus 1 is 4 divided by 4. 4 get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So ultimately the answer is 2. It is there in the second option. We will move to the next question. The next question, limit x tends to 0, sin of pi cos square x by x square. X is equal to 0, substitute in this directly. Wherever x is there in the numerator and denominator, cos 0, 1. So sin pi into 1, sin pi 0. X square, x is equal to 0, 0. 0 by 0 form, indeterminate form. So whenever indeterminate form is there, we can apply L'Hospital rule. By using L'Hospital rule, LH rule, limit x tends to 0, sin of pi cos square x derivative. Sin of, so sin ax derivative is cos x. So cos of pi cos square x. Again pi cos square x we have to differentiate. Pi constant into cos square x derivative 2 into cos x, again cos x derivative minus sin x, you can keep it like this, divided by x square derivative is 2x, here 2 get cancelled, limit x tends to 0, cos of pi cos square x into pi into cos x minus sin x divided by x. So limit apply for each and every term except pi. Pi constant, pi we can take outside. Limit x tends to 0, cos of pi cos square x, limit x tends to 0, cos x, limit x tends to 0 minus limit x tends to 0 sin x by x, which is equal to pi into limit x tends to 0, x is equal to 0, substitute cos 0 1, so cos pi will come, cos pi, limit x tends to 0, cos 0 1, limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is standard limit, that value is 1 into minus 1, minus 1, so pi minus 1 into minus plus 1 is minus pi into cos pi value minus 1, so minus into minus is plus, so ultimately the answer is this, plus pi. We will move to the next one. Next question. P equal to limit x tends to 0 plus 1 plus tan square of root x whole power 1 by 2x, then the value of log P. It's a good question. This type of question we discussed. See here how to proceed. P equal to limit x tends to 0 plus 1 plus tan square of root x whole power 1 by 2x. X is equal to 0, substitute directly. So what happens? 1 plus tan 0, 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. X equal to 0, 1 by 0, infinity. So when the given limit reaches to 1 power infinity, the given limit can be written as, that means P can be written as e power, this is f of x, this is g of x. So g of x limit x tends to 0 plus g of x into, so that means 1 by 2x into f of x minus 1, f of x means 1 plus tan square root x minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, which is equal to e power limit x tends to 0 plus 1 by 2 constant you can take outside. The rest of the terms tan square root x divided by x. In the next step, e power 1 by 2 limit x tends to 0 plus, why 0 plus mention means root x when it will be exist when x is greater than or equal to 0, that is the reason they mentioned. Next, tan square root x. In the numerator tan square is there, x in the denominator only x is there. X, can I write root x whole square? We can. So root x whole square. In the next step, numerator is having square, denominator is also having square. Ultimately, limit x tends to 0 plus tan root x by root x whole square, you can write it. So e power 1 by 2 limit, as x tends to 0 plus means root x tends to also 0 plus only. So root x tends to 0 plus tan root x divided by root x whole square. We know that from standard limits this value goes to be 1. So e power 1 by 2 into 1 square. So ultimately this value goes to be e power 1 by 2. This is P. But they are asking log P. Therefore, P is equal to e power 1 by 2 taking log on both sides. So log b is equal to log e power 1 by 2. That is equal to 1 by 2 into log e. The value is 1 only, no? So 1 by 2. So log b equal to 1 by 2, which is there in the options 3. We will move to the next question. The next question, limit x tends to 0, cos square x minus sin square x minus 1 by root over x square plus 1 minus 1 dx equal to x equal to 0. Substitute directly, it will becomes indeterminate form. So according to this question, we need to do that factorization. See here, limit x tends to 0, cos square x minus sin square x. We have formula cos square a minus sin square a. Cos 2a. So directly in place of that, cos 2x minus 1 divided by root x square plus 1 minus 1, multiplying and dividing by rationalizing factor of this one, root of x square plus 1 plus 1 by root of x square plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to limit x tends to 0. Here also minus take common, 1 minus cos 2x divided by a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So x square plus 1 minus 1, a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, root will be cancelled. So the rest of the term, root of x square plus 1 plus 1 minus we can take outside, limit x tends to 0. Here minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. 1 minus cos 2x divided by x square. Limit apply for the another function. Limit x tends to 0. Root of x square plus 1 plus 1. We already discussed a shortcut formula in this class. So minus limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos ax by x square is a square by 2. A value is here what? 2. 2 square by 2. And x is equal to 0, substitute root 0 plus 1 plus 1. So minus 4 by 2 into 1 plus 1. So minus 4 by 2 into 2, which is equal to minus 4. So which is there in the second option, dear students. Thank you, dear students, for watching our channel. In this next video, complete MCET questions, and I also discussed previous JEE mains in the month of August 2021. That also I am going to discuss a separate video. Thank you all. Signing off, Maths with Panindra.